Good afternoon and Jai Hind children. Today we shall start with a new topic of your grammar book named Transformation of Sentences. So let's get started. First of all, try to understand what is transformation of sentences. So the transformation of a sentence is all about changing its form without altering its meaning. So all you have to remember is the structure would change but the meaning would remain same. Okay, now change simple sentences into compound sentence. How are we going to do that? A simple sentence has just one clause. Okay, there are few examples that I have mentioned here. He went to the market, she recognized them at once, I have paid the fee. And a compound sentence has two or more coordinate clause connected by a coordinating conjunction. Examples of such connecting expressions are and, but, or, for, so, yet, either, or, neither, nor, both, and. Okay. So we can convert a simple sentence into a compound sentence. And how are we going to do that? Okay. By expanding a word or phrase into a coordinate clause. Study the examples given below. She came here to see me. This is a simple sentence. She came here and saw me. It's a compound sentence. Here we expanded the infinitive to see, okay, into a coordinate clause. In spite of his hard work, the boy didn't succeed. Okay, it is a simple sentence and the boy worked hard but he didn't succeed. This is a compound sentence. Okay, so this way you have to convert or transform that. Sorry. How are we going to change simple sentence into complex sentence? A simple sentence can be converted into a complex sentence by expanding a word or phrase into a complex sentence. The complex sentence can be a noun, clause, adjective clause, or adverb clause. Study the examples that I have mentioned here. He confessed his crime. Okay, it's a simple sentence. He confessed that he was guilty. Or he confessed that he had committed a crime. So, complex sentence. Here we expanded the noun, his crime, into the noun clause that he was guilty or that he had committed a crime. He bought his uncle's factory. It's a simple sentence. He bought the factory that belonged to his uncle. Okay, so here we expanded the noun phrase, his uncle's factory, into the adjective clause that belonged to his uncle. Okay, this way you have to transform it. Conversion of a complex sentence into a compound sentence. So a complex sentence contains one main clause and at least one subordinate clause that I have taught you in the previous month. A compound sentence contains at least two main clauses and no subordinate clauses. So we can convert a complex sentence into a compound sentence by changing the subordinate clause or clauses into main clauses. Note that subordinate clauses are introduced by conjunctions like because, as, if, when, where, since, and though. The conjunctions commonly used in compound sentences are and, or, but, yet, and, for. Now, I have added few questions for your practice. Change the following complex sentences into compound sentences. There are few questions, so I'll be giving you like 5 or 6 seconds so that you can solve it. So few sentences are walk carefully lest you should fall. Although she is rich, she is not happy. Okay, so I hope you all have written these questions in a rough copy and you can solve them. I have shared a slide also here with the answers so you can cross check. Okay. Now, complex sentence can be converted into a simple sentence by changing noun clause, adjective clauses and adverb clauses to a word or phrase. Noun clauses, okay, he admitted that he was guilty. It's a complex sentence. He admitted his guilt, simple sentence. Tell me when the meeting will be held, it is a complex sentence. And tell me the time of the meeting, it is simple sentence. Now, adjective clauses. I have no money that I can lend you. It is a complex sentence and I have no money to lend you. It's a simple sentence. People who live in glass houses should not throw stones. Complex sentence. People living in glass houses should not throw stones. It's a simple sentence. Okay. Now, adverb clause. When he saw the police, he ran away. It's a complex sentence. On seeing the police, he ran away. It is a simple sentence. Now, we can convert a compound sentence into a simple sentence by reducing the number of clauses into one. How? See, he got up and walked away. It is a compound sentence. Getting up, he walked away. Okay, and it has become a simple sentence. It has been transformed into a simple sentence. Now, here we reduce the clause he got up into the participle phrase getting up. More examples are he gave them not only a house but some land also. It is a simple sentence. Beside a house, he gave them some land also. Now we have seen that to convert compound sentences into simple sentences, clauses have to be reduced to participle, prepositional or infinitive phrases. Convert the following compound sentences into simple sentences. A few more questions for you to understand it better. You must take your medicine, otherwise you cannot get well. So I'll be giving you like 7 seconds or 10 seconds so that you can solve it and you can cross check your answer. I have added one more slide with the answers. Okay. Here it is. Now, a compound sentence is characterized by at least 2 independent clauses which can be used as separate sentences and are connected with coordinating conjunctions. Okay, this you all have learned previously. Such as listening to music and singing songs are my hobbies. On the other hand, a complex sentence is characterized by one independent clause and at least one dependent clause, such as I will wait here until. Okay, now there are few rules. Okay, how are we going to transform? If the compound sentence uses the conjunction but, yet, to connect the different clauses, the complex sentence will use though, although in the beginning and but, yet will be removed. Like compound sentences, he is poor but he is happy. Complex is, though he is poor, he is happy. Compound, she is ill, yet she worked very hard. And then complex sentence would be, although she is ill, she worked very hard. Now, rule 2. If the compound sentence uses the conjunction or otherwise to connect different clauses and future tenses is used in the second clause, the complex sentence uses lest in the middle and should after the person. Now, compound, study hard or you will fail. Complex will be study hard lest you should fail. And compound will be, one more example, practice hard otherwise you will be out of the cricket. And then complex will be practice hard lest you should be out of the cricket. Rule 3. If the compound sentence uses the conjunction and to join the different clauses, the complex sentence will use as soon as. Okay. In the beginning, removing the and from the middle. Now, compound will be the rain stopped and we started the journey. Complex sentence would be as soon as the rain stopped, we started the journey. Now, change compound sentence into complex sentence. How are we going to do it? Okay, just let us have a quick recap of that because I have already taught you the rules. A compound sentence consists of 2 or more independent clauses. This we all know. Okay. A complex sentence consists of one main clause and one or more dependent clause. Buy 2 shirts and get 1 free. It's compound sentence. If you buy 2 shirts, you get 1 free. This is complex. And then buy 2 shirts to get 1 free. It is a simple sentence. Now, there are a few questions. Again, he tried his best but he didn't succeed. The clown entered the circus ring and the children started clapping. Take care of the pence and the pounds will take care of themselves. If you have to hurry, you will miss the bus. These are the solved ones, right? So, you can see, though he tried his best, he didn't succeed. When the clown entered the circus ring, the children started clapping. If you take care of the pence, the pounds will take care of themselves. If you do not hurry, you will miss the bus. So I hope you all have understood how are you going to transform these sentences. Okay, but I would suggest you to read clauses. Okay, well, and after that types of sentences, and later on you can start with this because it will be easy for you to connect. Although I have taught you all those chapters previously, but I want you all to just have a quick revision of that and then connect with this topic. So thank you so much for joining, children. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.